You have one saved message. Saved message.
Go and play, 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 go and play.
Bumping that swoop, bumping that swoop, bumping that rolling in that Cadillac, rolling in that coupe. Bumping your pool, I'm bumping that swoop, bumping that swoop, bumping that rolling in that Cadillac, rolling in that coupe. Bumping your pool, I'm bumping that swoop, bumping that swoop.
Oh, what you names can't be, can't be.
Bumping your pool, I'm bumping that swoop, bumping that swoop,
Oh,
bumping
what you
that
names
swoop.
can't be, can't be.
Listen, wake up in the morning and I'm ready to hustle. I get a lot of inspiration from the bass and the treble. Some niggas know me as Judah and others know me as Jay. Call me another name that we just won't say. I'm always son to pops, the strongest father I know. I got my case dismissed, so now it's back to the flow. Feel the spirit surrounding me, know that it's gon' crack. The 10 beats on repeat with a Mac, perhaps. I got my game in Oakland and I was running around downtown, 17th, telegraphing now. From the tapes to the mixes, your boy done did it. Now we planning on the best and coming up with the quickest.
I'm working fully remote, so I'm at the house.
Oh yeah, I would have been going.
Yeah, you already know, yeah. It's a little different like that.
Alright, what's up y'all? It's your boy GC Judah and we are back with the guys trip overview coming from Austin to Houston. Gonna start off with the Airbnb. As y'all saw, it was pretty cool. Enough rooms for me and the guys. We were pretty much chilling. We had the pool, had a jacuzzi, foosball table, all of that stuff. I tried to get as much content as I could, but we was out and about ripping and running the streets, but it was really good though. It was really good. Had a really amazing time. Got to build and just, really be with the homies. I would definitely suggest that everybody do like at least a guy or a girl's trip if you got that kind of group for that, because man, it was amazing. Like, we was chilling, y'all. It was really cool, really nice. Texas don't owe me nothing, but let's keep getting into it. Of course, we have to have the private chef with the good food. Everything was so good, y'all. Macaroni, cookies. Let me let her tell you.
Seafood, Cajun pasta with shrimp, crawfish, sausage, and chicken. We also have a fresh French bread, some smoked, mesquite smoked meatballs, candy yams. We have some collard greens, some Cajun fried chicken, and some spinach artichoke dip with butter crackers.
Man, I know y'all heard that. And we had the customized plates with our names on them. Everything was super cool. Man, my boy's wife put everything together. Shout out to Tasha. She did her thing. Very well taken care of. It was dope, professional, all that, man. Like, guys trip, 10 out of 10. But, we're not done yet. So after we get done eating, we hit the streets. Standard Proof. We on Rainy Street with it. Shout out to Standard Proof. Whiskey tasting. We got to taste all kind of whiskey, different concoctions, cinnamon, chocolate, coffee.
That's good, man. I was drinking so much of everything.
Yo, house with the words.
This is cool.
It's good. I like it.
See everybody? Come on, y'all.
Hold
on, everybody got one yet?
Yeah. Here's the and Akil's birthday.
Happy birthday, Akil.
And the toss.
Yep, got it.
Boom.
Yeah, when we first got in, the customer service took a little while to get us seated and stuff, but once we got seated, our guy here got us together and he was pretty cool. Everybody got to make their own drinks. We got to see them do like different concoctions. We had bites, Brussels sprouts, macaroni and cheese, and the whole time, y'all, we drinking whiskey, throwing it back. Now, y'all know I'm an IPA guy. I don't really mess with the whiskey, but that night, I definitely had me about 5 or 6 of those little baby flights, and they were really good, man.
I got you.
Yeah, that was a killer trying to make his own drinks. And of course, it's not Texas unless you got the cops on the horses. It's a Texas thing, y'all. But we kept pushing, so now we got in the Congress. Ave went to Mort Subit, a little Belgian spot for beer. Got to try some really good Belgian beers, Duchesse, really nice Belgian IPAs. It was really cool. We was really over here chilling to wait to go to Elephant Room. 4th and 6th Street. Wasn't too much action over there. I also got to hit up this little spot called Out of Nowhere. It was right in the back of the Belgian bar. Cool little pop-up truck. Had a lot of good food. I got me a burger and some fries because you know your boy was starving. That whiskey ran through me like a bullet, but I had some of that, had me some good food, and I was ready to mingle again. So me and the homies plotted, and of course, you know, right across the street is the Elephant Room, the infamous Elephant Room, still on Congress. When we got in, it was pretty early. You know, we went downstairs, kind of had a little underground vibe. Once we got in there, it was nice, cool, dark, secluded, low lights, live music. The jazz was popping. It was really cool. A lot of history in here, a lot of just dope stuff. Customer service was cool. The drinks was pouring. You know, we was just chilling. So some of the homies had to leave, but you know me. You know your boy had to go hit the hookah spot. So then we went to Bevo's Lounge and Nightclub next. Really dope spot. Good drinks. Had mixed daiquiri drinks, beers. The hookah was on point. The vibes were good. The ladies were magnificent. It was just a good vibe overall. Houston's hookah scene is a lot better to me, in my opinion, than Hollywood's is. I felt a lot more community aspect. I felt like the people were a lot more easier to talk to. Now, I did, as a disclaimer, I did go during the deep freeze, so I do want to go back in the summer and have a better assessment of the place. But man, I would say so far from what I've seen, the hookah scene was just, it was unmatched, man. Austin's nightlife, pretty good. Yeah, we still cruising, y'all. So, next spot, Hookah Buzz Lounge. A little deeper into Austin, Texas. We was on research with it, but that one was cool. I didn't spend too much time in there, you know, kind of got in and out. Had to make some more moves during the night. You already know how that go, but it was cool again. Like I said, Austin was a vibe. Made it back to the house in the morning. Had to go to Houston next. You already know what we're doing. Load it up.
Are we there yet? No, we have 2.5 hours left. I gotta go to the bathroom. Well, we're 30 minutes from a Buc-ee's. Can you wait? No, I can't hold it. Oh my gosh. All right, pull over. Okay. Oh, disgusting. I think I can wait.
Hey, you got it taken care of?
No. Let's go to Buc-ee.
Yeah, so welcome to Buc-ee's, y'all. The infamous Buc-ee's. And if you couldn't tell from that horribly done commercial, Buc-ee's is a little quirky, but they have some of the best chopped barbecue brisket sandwiches I've ever had in my life. And I tell y'all, y'all need to try it. You need to try it. Listen to your boy. I know what I'm talking about. Food was really good. I felt like I was in an episode of Atlanta when I'm walking through Buc-ee's, but everybody was super cool. Then, you know, after that, I had to hit that little U-turn over to Prairie View, say what's up, HBCU's in the house, hey. So, went on campus. It was beautiful. It was chill. Y'all know I'm from Cali. We don't have HBCU, so I got to see my first one. I say, hey, why not, man? But much love to them. Beautiful campus. I might have to come back over there during the summer, too. What's up with the homecoming, though? Let your boy know. So,
I know I just said, like, it's fine, but this is unusual.
yeah, that freeze was crazy, but we kept it going. Now we back over to Houston, hitting Alameda Road to go to Faces. Y'all know about Faces. Man, it was packed in there when we went. It was giving me early Hollywood vibes, but again, the people were super cool. Customer service was chill. We was dancing. They was even playing New Orleans music too. Got a little second line going. Man, Houston was a vibe. I love seeing my people. I love seeing my folks. It was so melanated and chocolatey and just all different shades, colors. Love it. Love it, man. So then, you know, we go across the street. Y'all already know bar 5015. A little bit of background about 5015.
Is releasing this surveillance video of the people who they say caused the explosion. Our Vincent Crivelli has more.
Yeah, they were the victims of an arson attack, but they were able to rebuild and come back. When I went there that night, it was a little cold, but good customer service again. Went with a good group of friends. Again, I went during a deep freeze, y'all. I would recommend going to all these spots in the summertime. You have more time when it's, a lot more sociable, a lot more people there. But again, Texas, guys trip was a success. I wouldn't change anything. Had a great time, and I'm definitely gonna go back. Texas, yeah, everything's a lot bigger out there. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, support. Be back on with the episodes. Stay tuned. Trying to get a better schedule going, but your boy stay busy. And as always, love the support. Appreciate everybody. Salute. It's your favorite ex-mod, GC. Your boy Judah. Signing out.
You can take me out the state, but know this Texas is my home. You can take me out the state, but know this Texas is my home.